Hello everyone, I welcome you all for today's class. Today we are going to do question answer and book work of chapter 2, The Visit to the Mansion. Section A. Answer these questions. First one. Why did Joe toss up a snowball? Answer. Joe tossed up a snowball to attract Laurie's attention and make him look out of his window. Second question. Why did Laurie invite Joe to his house? Answer. Laurie was unwell and alone at home. He invited Joe to come to his house as he was lonely and bored and knew that he would feel better if he had someone to talk to. Third one. What gifts did Joe bring for Laurie? Which one did he like the most? Answer. Joe brought some plumage and 3 tiny kittens for Laurie. He liked the kittens the most. Fourth question. How did Laurie know all the March sisters? Answer. Laurie could often hear the March sisters talking to each other. Sometimes he also saw them sitting around the table with their mother. That is how he knew all of them. Fifth question. Why did Laurie's grandfather not allow him to visit their neighbors? Answer. Mr. Lawrence thought that people who did not know Laurie would feel disturbed if Laurie visited them. So, he did not allow Laurie to visit their neighbors. And the last one, why did Laurie leave Joe alone in the library? Did she mind? Why? Why not? Answer, Laurie went to meet the doctor who had come to check if he was recovering well. Joe did not mind. She was very happy to be surrounded by the innumerable books and was looking at the portraits with great curiosity and interest. Section B. Choose the correct answer to complete these sentences. First, Joe wanted to ask her mother. Correct option is B. If she could visit Laurie. Second, Laurie started cleaning and arranging things in his room because correct option is C. He wanted it to look good and ready for his guest Joe. Third, Joe felt sorry for Laurie because answer B. He was unwell and lonely while she had fun with her family. Fourth one, Joe started dancing when they reached the library because answer A. She was extremely happy to see the innumerable books, pictures, statues, tables and a great fireplace there. These are the book work. What you have to do? You have to do in your notebook itself. This is from your book, page number 21, question number A. Complete these sentences with suitable determiners. What do you mean by determiners? Determiners means words such as to, much, many, which we use to describe the noun. Usually, the quantity or a specific location are called determiners. It can be many, much, some, any, no, few, less, a little, little, a lot of. These are the examples of determiners. First one, a garden looks untidy with so many weeds. Answer is many. I have done all these exercises. You can do it looking at this. Next exercise is B from page 21. Look at the pictures and read what the characters are saying. Write the missing words. First one. Who is he? I have not met. B dash is my cousin writing. Answer he. First one I have done, and other things you can do it by yourself. This is your homework, children. Let's see now next exercise from page 23. A. Refer to dictionary and write the meanings of these phrases. First one, call in. Second, call out. Third, look for. Fourth, look up. Fifth, see out. Sixth, see off. First, call in meaning invite. Second, call out meaning shout something out to draw someone's attention. Third, look for meaning search for something. Fourth, look up meaning try to find a particular information in a book or on the internet. Fifth, see out go with someone to the door when they are leaving to say goodbye to them. And the sixth one, see off go to a station or airport with someone to say goodbye to them. Children, these word meanings you have to write in your note copy, not in the book. Remember, you have to write in your note copy. Next exercise. In this, what you have to do? You have to match with the correct answer. You have to choose answer from exercise A and write down in the blanks and match it with the correct answer. First one, Nisha is going home. Answer is D. Can you see her out? So I have done. You can see this and you can write it in your notebook. Homework. Write and learn all the question and answer. Write them correctly and neatly with good handwriting. Write and learn word meaning which are in the book and which you have written already in your copy. Write down the book work. Answers are given to you today. I hope today's exercises are clear to you. Thank you.